Hey, yeah, boy.
Oh shit. So G. Tomorrow go again. Tomorrow.
Get it? Smile, boy. We're lucky. Real fisherman right here.
Real fish.
Thank you guys, man.
Come go drop one for Menace.
Yes. Yeah.
Stay
Okay.
blessed.
See
Stay
you guys.
blessed. Stay
Yeah.
blessed.
I'll show you guys. So I'm about to show you guys what my young bro and my cousin woke me up this morning where I was gonna get so mad why they woke me up so early in the morning, but guess what though? I opened that door, and this is what they brought me. Booyah. Look at this. So what we're gonna have for dinner tonight, guys. Join me.